Almost 5 o'clock, or maybe a little after 5. Smoke's just starting to descend down into the valley. I'm sitting on my porch, coughing. It's burning my nose pretty bad. So,
Yeah, not looking good.
dude, all that smoke's gonna fall down to the ground tonight.
It will.
When we wake up in the morning, we're gonna be SOL, dude.
Yeah.
My throat's already messed up from the last few days.
My eyes have been feeling it a lot too.
Right, it's burning my nose right now.
Yeah.
Damn it. That sucks, man.
I hope it's not getting too close. Do you know how close it is?
Yeah, it's still 7 miles from Reading. But it started Sunday. By Monday morning, it was 15,000 acres. And now it's like 40,500. All that smoke's gonna fall right down on us. That sucks. Alright. There's my sky check. I had to do it right now because in the next 20 minutes to 40 minutes, we're not going to be able to see the sun. So at least now you can see that it's sort of where it usually sets. Even though that's been off too the last month or so. It's setting way more that way. Alright, thanks. Smoked out and choked out in Redding, California.